Welcome to Temecula, California. Located in southwestern Riverside County, Temecula is famous for their beautiful wine country, with nearly 50 vineyards. Old Town Temecula has historic buildings and a unique blend of restaurants, shops, and entertainment, including the Gardener's Cottage gift shop. They have home and garden decor and always decorate for the holidays. The Old Town Antique Fair has clothing stores and plenty of collectibles and antiques, as well as a hip coffee shop with lattes and pastries. If you love olive oil, you must visit the Temecula Olive Oil Company. They have olive oil tasting and they produce all their product on their ranch on the east side of town. The Painted Garden is a beautiful outdoor space where you can buy plants and all your garden decor. Bottega Italia is everything you love about Italy. They serve authentic Italian food like wood-fired pizza, gelato, pastries, and a large collection of wine. Small Barn is a modern bistro that offers a welcoming gathering place where beautiful design, exceptional food, and beverages come together. The Gambling Cowboy Chop House and Saloon combines the Midwest with casual fine dining. They offer an inviting atmosphere and the highest quality Midwestern corn-fed beef. Espadin serves authentic Mexican food and has a wide range of tequila and mezcal in their vibrant restaurant. Blackbird Tavern is a modern gastropub. They have a rustic retro space and a large outdoor patio with fire pits and games to keep you entertained. If you feel like playing arcade games while drinking, you have to visit Coin Op. Old Town Pub has a sitting area that overlooks Main Street. They have great bar food and drinks and plenty of spaces to hang out with friends. Swing Inn Cafe is a popular breakfast place and also offers delicious barbecue. Town Square Park and the Civic Center are right up the street and they offer beautiful views of Old Town Temecula. Only a 15-minute drive away, the Temecula countryside has some exquisite wineries, like Europa Village, which has several wineries and restaurants. Feel like you're in Spain at Boleros. They offer weekend brunch with a buffet and an omelet station. They also offer a tapas-style menu. Mercado de Vienza is a casual dining experience and market. They have wood-fired pizza, or you can visit the market to grab your own ingredients to bring home. They even have a culinary club where you'll receive a table box quarterly. The Europa Village property also has several tasting rooms to explore. They even have a members-only section with beautiful architecture and scenery. Belvino Winery is a more casual space with a dance floor and live music. They have a vineyard bar and bistro. This Victorian-style farmhouse is Maurice Carrier Winery. They also have several tasting rooms and a large wraparound porch, so you can enjoy the SoCal weather while sipping your wine. They also host a local vendor market to support local businesses. Mount Palomar Winery is a large open outdoor space with live music and several tasting rooms as well. They have beautiful views of their vineyard and pond. If you're looking to visit several wineries, you have to check out this cable car. They offer many wine tours in Temecula. Discover gambling, dining, and entertainment on another level at Pachanga Resort and Casino. They have slot machines and 152 table games. They have many restaurants and bars to choose from, like the Great Oak Steakhouse, their 1882 Cantina, and Blend's Coffee Bar. You will never get bored here. For a shopping spree, head over to Promenade Temecula. They have outdoor shopping and they decorate for the holidays. They have several restaurants like Sushi, Luna Grill, The Yard House, P.F. Chang's, The Lazy Dog Cafe, and many more. They have an Edward Cinemas for watching movies, an Apple Store for your electronics, and an indoor shopping experience with stores like Macy's and many others. So if you're looking to visit or live in a historic community with a beautiful countryside, it's time to check out Temecula.